December, Georgetown lights up with a special curated art exhibit, Georgetown Glow. And Free Tours by Foot offers a 2-hour walking tour that combines the history and stories of Georgetown with the stories of the light installations and the artists behind them.
So the artist here wanted to delve into this idea of like modern day hieroglyphics and how this comes to me. It is both a source of frustration and a source of hope. Like if you just wait, the computer's doing something. Don't worry, it's doing something.
The tour runs most nights of the week throughout the month of December and the first week of January. Reservations are required and you can make them on our website, but you should make them soon because this tour books up. Like most of our tours here in Washington, D.C., the tour itself is name your own price. So you get to decide how much the tour was worth and pay the guide at the end of the tour directly.
So this one is done by a artist named Suyi Park. She is from South Korea.
So we hope to see you soon here in Georgetown to talk all about the light